Yeah,
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. And as you know, we are meeting very first time. So, could you
Yes,
please
yes.
introduce yourself that I can know about you?
Okay. So, hello, I am Vicky, and currently I am pursuing my master's degree in English literature, and I am from Bihar. And talking about my sum of hobby, so in my free time, I do painting and sketching. So that is all about me. And yes, I want to know yourself as well, so you can introduce yourself.
Oh, that's great to know about you. And your introduction is very incredible. Okay, so
Okay.
now I'm going to introduce myself. So, well, my name is Amrij Rai. I'm also from Bihar. I'm
Okay.
intermediate pass. What my hobbies? I love to travel. I love to talk to people, and I love to watch English content because I'm English learner. And moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos. And yeah, right now I'm talking to you from the Kuwait, and I have been doing job from the in the Kuwait for last 10 years. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay. Fantastic. Like you are also from Bihar. So in which city you live? You are
Hmm.
living?
Actually, my district name is Madhubani.
Okay, Madhubani. Okay, okay, okay. So you must
What you?
know the Bhojpuri language, I think,
Yes, I know
because in
Bhojpuri
Madhubani,
language.
many speakers speak Bhojpuri, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Bhojpuri language, Mathuri language, Hindi language, I know very well. Mm. So
Yeah,
may I
Bhojpuri
know
language.
what is your district name?
I am like far away from Madhubani district because I know Madhubani district is located upper side of the Bihar, I think. Yeah, close to the Nepal or Jayanagar, I think. Yes, because I have been visited once I guess in my life, so I know about that things. But I am from
Okay,
the district who is very far away from the Madhubani. I am from the Mungel district. Yes, you know about
Mungil.
Mungel district, major city of the Ganga River. So yes.
So, yeah, I know Jayanagar, Sakari, Darbhanga. I know everything.
Mhm. Jayanagar I
Okay.
visited once for uh, for some purpose because I want to go to the Nepal, wanted to go to the Nepal, which is why.
Mhm. Okay, so as you mentioned that you are painting. So what kind of are you painting?
Okay. All kind of painting, like mostly I do pencil sketching, oil color painting, watercolor painting. I want to like try my best in every medium of the art. Or basically I draw portrait, so portrait of the person. So I find like like therapeutic when I do painting. So which is why. Yes.
Okay, so where did you learn? Where did you learn painting?
Okay, I think every person interested towards anything not like towards one thing since their childhood, and I am also interested towards these things from my childhood only. And but yes, I never explored these things in my childhood. But I think after my high school, yes, 12th board, so I faced pandemic during that time. So because of the lockdown we are not able to like we were not able to go outside to explore anything, so we are confined at the small space. So which is why I tried to like do some follow some of my hobby, painting, crafting. So at that time I started doing these things, or it's been I think more than 3 years. So now I am quite good at drawing, we can say, pencil sketching and oil color painting. Sometimes I do outdoor painting as well. For example, on my weekend. So at that time, I want to go outside in nature and try to capture the beautiful ambience of nature. Yes, in my paper. So yes.
Okay, okay. Great. I think, you must have learned in all painting, I think, right?
What? Sorry,
And you must have
sorry, I can't
learned,
catch you. Okay.
I think you must have learned all painting, right? As you
Yes,
mentioned
yes,
the
yes.
water painting, so many things. Mm.
Yes, I learned about that things, but I learned I'm not a student of this fine art. because I am a self-taught artist. I explore many things over internet and try to like propose something in my life. But I think I developed these things because of my interest, eager to learn something about this hobby. So which is why I keep trying over these things. Like every day I try to paint something, try to sketch something. Even though if I have no time in my day, so I go for a rough sketch, at least one or two. So which is why, as I think consistency is the key for my drawing skill. So which is why.
Yeah, really. And you mentioned that, you had desire to learn painting, you have desire to learn English. So if you have desire, definitely, you can learn so many things. Okay, just because of the desire and goal.
Mhm. Okay, yes.
Do you have any question for me?
Okay, tell me something about Madhubani because I have visited once Madhubani, but I
Yes.
never get chance to explore Madhubani because
That's why,
Madhubani is known for their yes food and yes art like Madhubani painting is represent our Bihar. So what do you think about that things? What is
that's
Madhubani
why,
painting or
yeah,
tell me something about art of the Madhubani? Sorry.
that's why I asked him about the painting.
Okay.
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 The Madhumani is famous in the painting. Okay. Lots of
Mhm.
people do painting
Okay.
in Madhumani.
Okay.
And Madhumani is Madhubani as a known as a painting.
Okay.
Okay, I don't have that much idea because actually it is my Madhubani is my district, so I have been to only two time. Mm.
Like you are living in Kuwait only. You don't visit, like you are not more often visit your hometown.
Yeah, I visit, but after some time, like after 2 years, after 1 year, I visit my
Okay,
hometown
okay,
and I stayed. You can say I stay 3 months, 4 months. After that, I have to come back. Okay.
okay. Like what kind of work do you do in Kuwait?
Mm. Actually, I am trainer of the pigeon bird, and I train the pigeon. And
Okay, okay,
yeah,
great.
mm,
So you are a
actually,
bird trainer.
yeah, but I am bird trainer.
So what kind of training do you give to pigeon? Like it's related to the message or something? I don't know about that.
Yeah, first of all, I had to learn Arabic language. Okay,
Okay,
and I have to teach them in Arabic language. Okay, so when I actually my all pigeons are outside, and it is totally a
okay,
secluded area. And when I go to
okay,
my pigeon farm, so my all pigeon are in the cages. So just I open the door and I throw some grain. Then I call them Arabic language, tahbi, tahbi, tahbi. After that, they listen to me and they
okay.
come to me. After that, I have one stick. Okay. Then
Mhm.
I take the pigeon by stick. When my pigeon, when I train the pigeon, so my pigeon will keep on flying 20 to 30 minutes after that, Albad, you can say I am sad by my Kuwaiti that you call me. After that I called. Now that after that I call them. After that, when they listen to me, they come to me. They come to me, and after seeing they start flapping. Okay,
Okay.
so really
But
I
I
am
want to know the
enjoying.
uses of these things. Like you train the bird for whom? Like for your client or for anyone else?
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm working under the Kuwaiti people. My owner
Okay.
has pigeon. My owner has pigeon. He has a business. Okay, so he hired me. So that's why I'm
Okay.
here, and I do train
Okay.
the
Okay.
pigeon.
And what are the uses of these pigeons from your owner perspective? Like what kind of business they are doing with pigeon?
Actually, sometimes my owners purchase pigeon. Sometimes he sells the pigeon, and sometimes
Okay.
so many merchant come here. Okay, and they
Okay.
pigeon from my Kuwaiti. Okay, and after that, they go to the market. I think they might go to the market, and they might sell the pigeon, and they had this kind of business. Okay.
Okay, okay. Selling pet business, we can say, like they are having pet house
Mhm.
and they sell pet to the people who are interested towards pets, we can say, like who want to
And
own
also,
some bird.
yeah, and as well as pigeons are eaten by the
Mhm.
people. So lots of people they purchase pigeon for the eating.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Now I got it.
Mm.
Okay,
So I have okay. So I'm going to ask some question. What makes you happy?
okay. I think life make me happy. Like life's any aspect of the life, which like every experiences, we can say, like every new experiences or exotic experiences gives me a we can say, like hitting spots. That is my hitting spots, we can say. For example, whenever I do something that entertain me or that make me calm, so that is the thing makes me happy. For example, like in my life, very few things make me happy. Isolation make me happy, we can say. Like many people don't want to live in isolation, but I want to live in isolation. So that is the thing. Peace, calm, isolation, painting, that I have already discussed about that things. And apart from that, some of my hobby, extra hobby, we can say, horse riding, swimming, playing sports. So these are the activity make me happy. And yes.
Yeah, great, great. And my other question is, when you are negative, what do you do at that time, and how do you become positive again?
I do nothing, I think, because in my life, it's very rare that I live in a negative vibe, or like I follow simple rule in my life. Like I would try to follow some optimistic people uh, around me, or try to like stay with optimistic people who have optimistic view towards life. So that helps me in order to escape from the negativity. Or if I am sad, so I think I do nothing. Like I do only one thing or two things to overcome these things. As for example, eating my favorite food, painting, and
Okay.
yes, playing sports, go in the nature sometimes. Or yes, that is the thing. Heal me from within.
Okay, okay. So I think your English is so good. Do you have friend to speak English, to practice English?
What? Sorry, I didn't get your point. Last point.
I think your English is so good and you are able to speak. Your pronunciation is good. I think you must have friend. You must have friend. You must have environment. Am I right?
Okay, as per like your, like you are from Bihar and I am also from Bihar, so you have, like clearly relate with
No.
this, relate with me. No, no, no. I want to like express something else so that you can understand better. Like we both are from Bihar, and we all know like Bihar has not an environment to like speak English, or any environment who like encourage people towards English, because whenever I like speak English in front of people, so they think like I am boasting in society. Like I every time I show us according to them, like I show up my knowledge, which is why I don't speak in front of people, like common people, we can say. I practice English over different app only and try to connect with people like you. And yes, from that's how I practice English. Because in Bihar, it's very difficult thing to like practice English. So which is why.
Yes, yes, yes. I got it. I got it. Okay. So you don't speak with the people in front of the people only. Whatever you are speaking, you are speaking with the stranger people. Am I right? Okay.
Like who are interested in English speaking skill, for example.
Mm-hmm.
Or it's a fair thing, I think, because we don't have to like speak English from in front of every people, because if they are not understanding our language, so how can they relate with us? Or it's going to be like it's obvious, they think like we are talking different language, or they are not able to exchange their emotions properly. So which is why I try to like keep myself with Hindi language only, which is our native language. So yes.
Mhm. Okay, great. So after learning English, what will you do? Do you have any goal?
Definitely, I want to clear my competitive exam and try to like want to become an IPS officer. Sometimes IPS officer, not yes, any like any job who serve government, who serve for a government. So I want to like clear my PCS examination first, state PCS examination. So after that, maybe I will able to like serve my country. So I want to like become that things first. And yes, definitely this language will help me in my journey, like connect with different people. For example, it's obvious after getting job I have to settle at every part of the India, or it's not a very certain thing like I have to do job in only Bihar, where I do work only in a Hindi language. So it's a very like crucial things for me to learn English language, because I think English language connect the whole India in a one garland. So which is why, or please while uploading your video on YouTube, trim my last word, uh, like trim my that line like connected with the like what I want to become in my life, because I don't want to say all these things over social media. So yes. It's my
Okay, okay, okay.
like up before 1 minute I have that I speak about my career, so you can remove that things. It's my like I insist you, yeah,
Okay,
personally.
okay. Don't
Mhm.
worry, don't worry. Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, really, we can say you can become according your desire. You can become, this language will give you so many things because it is global language. Doesn't matter you
Okay.
are if you
Yes,
if you
yes.
want to you want to do job in Dubai, Arab country, anywhere,
Yes, yes,
anywhere.
definitely.
So can be a big company, MSC company, multinational company.
Yes,
I think you can
yes,
just
yes,
because of
yes.
English language. If you don't know English language, so you will not be selected. But if you know, and if you have a degree, having a degree, and if you know as well as English language, definitely you will be
Yes,
selected.
yes.
100%. And you can make your career. I'm totally agree with you. Hmm.
Okay, yes, definitely.
Okay. So how long have you been speaking English? May I know?
Oh, definitely, why not? Wait 1 second, I have to yes, 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 no, I'm fine. Okay. So what is your last question? I forget about. Sorry.
How long have you been speaking English?
It's been almost around 1 year, I think. Yes, 1 year, not yes, almost around 10 month, 11 month. Yes. Yes,
Mhm.
10 month. Yes.
Okay. So when you were beginner at that time, what kind of challenges did you face?
Many challenges. Yes, I'm not specified every challenges we can say, but still I am facing so many issues related to my pronunciation. Sometimes tenses part. Yes, sometimes I forget to use